Looking back, it was daunting, but I've managed to build a lot of skills and find myself within the company. I've managed to become more confident in leading teams and applying myself in a professional setting. My name is Brendan Seeley and I work at CSL Securus in the MS&T department. I was placed in this graduate program here at CSL Securus, where I managed to build a lot of different skills, and over the course of 2 years, I managed to get a lot of rotations and experience in different departments, including working in our field finish business areas and even working on the AstraZeneca vaccine that we filled for Australia. CSL Securus do invest a lot of themselves into this graduate program. There's a lot of mentoring, there's even a buddy system where you are placed with previous grads to help you find your feet in the company, guide you through those first few daunting months and weeks where you hopefully are able to gain a bit more confidence and discover the best way to manage yourself in the professional setting. As part of that program, you are paired up with a senior leader within the company who helps to give you a bit of mentorship and guide you through a professional setting and give you a bit more confidence with the work that you are doing, as well as answering the difficult questions that you might have. My advice for anyone thinking about applying to the CSL graduate program is do it. Put your best foot forward and you never know, you might be placed here in the company with us.